Good morning, students. Welcome to your chapter number 3. Today we will discuss sign of trigonometric functions. Sign of sign of trigonometric trigonometric functions. In this, we have to discuss what the sign in various quadrant. Okay, this is x o x dash y o y dash. Okay, this is known as first quadrant or x o y plane, and this is called x dash o y plane or second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Here we write A. A means all. S T C. This is called ASTC rule. This is this rule makes so easy for knowing the sign of trigonometric functions. A stand for all. Okay, A stand for all. All means all trigonometric functions. We are talking about sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. So in if all the trigonometric function lies in first quadrant, their sign should be positive. Okay, if all the trigonometric function lies in the first quadrant, then their signs will be positive. Now move on second quadrant. When we lies on second quadrant, the value of sine theta and what is opposite of sine theta, cosec theta will be positive and the rest are negative. Means cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta. These are in, if they lies in second quadrant, their sign must be negative. Okay. Now T stands for tan theta. Tan theta and the opposite of tan theta, and that is cot theta. Both are positive. If they lie in third quadrant, they must be positive, and the rest means sin theta, cos theta, sec theta, and cosec theta, that are a negative sign. And when we move in fourth quadrant, the value of cos theta and sec theta are positive. Okay, and the rest is sin theta, tan theta, sec theta, cot theta, and sorry, sec theta is not cosec. Cosec theta will be negative. Okay, so I I hope you have better idea what is the sign in particular quadrant. Okay, if I am talking about what is the sign in third quadrant, your answer will be third quadrant. Okay, because in third quadrant the value of sin theta is negative. Okay, now if we know this rule very well, then we can easily formulate for almost or more than 48 formula. Okay, so here we take according to this rule some formula. If theta equal to 0 is considered and theta equal to 90 or pi by 2 or pi by 2, and here theta equal to 180 or pi, and then here 3 pi by 2, and after one complete rotation the value of theta will be 2 pi or 360 degree. Okay, because all trigonometric functions are also called a circular function, so the value after equal interval will be repeat. Okay, so if here we consider, we always remember no change, means if in any formula pi will contain, then there is no change. Okay, means in horizontal lines there is no change, but when we move on vertical lines, means pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2, then there is change. Change means they change in their neighbor, means sine becomes change into cos, cos change into sine, and tan change into cot change into tan. Similarly, sec change into cosec, and cosec change into sec. Okay, so whenever any formula involves pi or 2 pi, then there is no change. If any formula contain pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2, then there is change. Okay, means they change in their neighbor. Okay, neighbor means if we write a pattern, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Okay, then sin will change into cos will change into sin. Okay, this should be changed. Okay, and tan change into cot change into tan. Similarly, sec change into cosec change into sec. Okay, but if a formula involves pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2, there is no chance if the formula involves pi or pi or 2 pi. Okay, so let us see. Okay, first one, if we write a sine pi by 2 minus theta, then if anything's less than pi by 2, then it becomes lies in first quadrant. It means it lies in first quadrant, so sign should be positive. Okay, and because this formula contains pi by 2, so it changes into cos. Okay, so here we write cos theta. Okay, similarly we can write second formula, cos pi by 2 minus theta, because pi by 2 minus theta lies in first quadrant, so sign should be always positive, and this formula involves pi by 2, there is change and it will change into sine, so write sine theta. Third, 10 pi by 2 minus theta equal to cot theta. 4 cot pi by 2 minus theta equal to how much? 10 theta. Okay. Fifth one, sec pi by 2 minus theta. This will be cosec theta. And number 6, cosec theta, cosec pi by 2 minus theta equal to sec theta. Okay, these are the 6 formulas. Okay, thank you.